Chapter 19. Waste and its disposal. Get set. Can you recognize the person shown here? In what way he performs a useful function? The environment in and around our homes, schools, parks, and other public places must always be clean. As the population is increasing, the amount of garbage disposed every day is also increasing. Most of the garbage comes from places like homes, hotels, and factories. Garbage management is a problem in our country because people do not feel responsible towards this problem. They do not use dustbins, and if at all they do, very few care to separate the waste. Different types of waste. The two different types of wastes include biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastes. Biodegradable wastes are those that decompose easily and mix with the soil. Such wastes do not harm the environment. This type of waste includes fruit and vegetable peels, dry leaves, human and animal excreta. Non-biodegradable wastes are those that do not decompose easily and therefore do not mix with the soil. Such wastes harm the environment. This type of waste includes plastic, glass, and metals. Urban-rural wastes. The waste production in urban areas is much more than that in rural areas. This is because cities are more populated than villages. Moreover, the consumption of perishable and non-perishable goods is higher in cities than in villages. This is mainly because the needs and lifestyle of the people in cities are different from that of villagers who lead a simpler life and reuse many things. We have learned that it is important to throw garbage into garbage bins and not litter any place. Open garbage poses serious health issues. Besides stopping ourselves and the others from littering, we need to take some more actions that can help to keep the environment clean. Waste management. The activities and actions that are required to manage waste from its formation to its final disposal is called waste management. This includes collection, transport, treatment, and disposal of waste along with checking and supervision. Municipal sweeping staff and garbage collectors in different areas collect the waste from houses. The collected waste is transported from collection points to a dumping site through municipality trucks. The trucks dump the waste at landfill sites where it is sometimes burnt or layered with mud. In the present times, the absence of adequate land for dumping waste and overusing of available dumping sites is posing problems in disposal of waste. Effective waste management in and around homes and public places includes the proper use of garbage bins, sorting waste in bins, proper sweeping of streets around homes and public places, and the proper transportation of garbage from garbage bins to places where it is to be treated or recycled. Disposal of waste. It is easy to dispose biodegradable waste by burying it in large pits in moist soil. After a few weeks or months, the waste converts into humus. Burning of garbage reduces the volume and prevents bleeding of germs, but it produces smoke, which is harmful. Sometimes half-burnt waste material attract rats and flies. Big furnaces called incinerators are used to burn wastes. Open dumping groups called landfills in the outskirts of the city are another way of waste disposal. However, it is also not much of a solution as the amount of waste generation in cities is so much that these sites get filled up very fast. However, the 3R policy reduce, reuse, recycle will help us to reduce waste. Following the 3 Rs will generate less waste, save energy and reduce pollution. Say yes or no. Biodegradable waste cannot decompose easily. 2. Open garbage poses serious health issues. 3. Burning of garbage is a good way to dispose of waste. 4. The 3Rs policy will also help us to control waste disposal. 5. Non-biodegradable waste harms the environment. Did you know? Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is a national-level campaign run by the Indian government to make all backward towns clean. It involves the construction of latrines, promoting sanitation programs in the rural areas, cleaning streets, roads and changing the infrastructure of the country. This campaign was officially launched by the Prime Minister, Narendra Modi on the 145th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi on 2nd October 2014. Reduce, reuse and recycle. Reduce means to use less. To use less, we should buy lesser quantities so that they do not go waste. We must cook just the right quantity of food. If food often goes waste in your house, cook less. Remember to turn off lights when not in use. Remember to take short showers and not let the tap water run unnecessarily. Also, a carpool is a great idea for reducing the consumption of fuel. Use public transport and walk short distances. Reduce the use of paper bags and completely give up the use of plastic bags. Reuse means to use something more than once. We can easily use cloth bags again and again. They just never seem to tear. You can reuse an old coffee mug for a pencil stand. You may reuse an old napkin as a kitchen duster. Jam and pickle bottles can be reused to store other things. An empty large cardboard box can be used to store old newspapers and old books before they are given away for recycling. Empty plastic bottles can be used as planters. Recycle means to process used products into new products to save energy and resources. Glass can be recycled to make new glass. Paper can be recycled to make new sheets of paper, and old plastic goods can be made into new plastic products. Even metals can be processed to make new sheets of metal. But this can be done only when people help to dispose of garbage in separate bins. If recyclable or non-perishable materials are separated from perishable ones, it is easier to use these materials for recycling. Each resident of a city or a village should feel responsible towards the cleanliness of his or her home and the environment. Summary: as the population is increasing, the amount of garbage disposed every day is also increasing. The two different types of wastes include biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastes. The waste production in urban areas is much more than that in rural areas. Waste management includes activities and actions required to manage waste from its formation to its final disposal. Reduce, reuse, recycle policy will help us to reduce waste. Exercise. A. Tick the correct option. 1. This is an example of biodegradable waste. A. Glass bowls. B. Vegetable peels. C. Plastic cups. D. Copper wires. 2. This is an example of non-biodegradable waste. A. Fruits. B. Chapatti. C. Metal can. D. Vegetable peels. 3. The 3R policy includes reduce, reuse and A. Recycle. B. Repack. C. Reframe. D. Refine. 4. He launched Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. A. Mr. Narendra Modi. B. Mr. Rajiv Gandhi. C. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. D. Dr. Manmohan Singh. B. Fill in the blanks. 1. It is important to throw garbage in and not litter any place. 2. Garbage in different areas collect the waste from houses. 3. It is easy to dispose waste by burying them in large pits in moist soil. 4. Big furnaces called are used to burn wastes. 5. To use less, we should buy things so that they do not go waste. 6. Empty plastic bottles can be used as. C. Answer the following questions. 1. Why is the management of garbage a serious problem in our country? 2. Why is there more garbage in cities than in villages? 3. Differentiate between biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastes. 4. What is recycling? Name any 2 things that can be recycled. 5. Do you think burning garbage is a good option to manage waste? Activity: Waste management hierarchy, source reduction and reuse, recycling, composting, energy recovery, treatment and disposal. 1. Create a compost pit in your school or neighborhood. Visit the link http://www.benefits-of-recycling.com Composting for Kids for idea for any help. 2. Why is it harmful to play with plastic bags? Why do you think we should avoid reuse of bottles made of plastic, used for filling mineral water or soft drinks? 3. Why are wastes generated in the village usually less harmful than urban wastes? 4. Look at the inverted pyramid depicting the waste management hierarchy. Discuss what it signifies. Life skill: We should save paper. Remember, paper is made from wood pulp and wasteful use of paper means more felling of trees.